Crypto moves fast. One coin can 10x in months while another disappears completely. So which coins are actually worth paying attention to in 2026? Not the hype, not the speculation, just the projects with real fundamentals, real adoption, and real potential. That's what we're covering today. The top 5 crypto coins to watch in 2026. Welcome to CoinAndCash Finance and Crypto Made Simple. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in anything. With that said, let's get into the 5 coins that have our attention in 2026. Bitcoin BTC. We start with the obvious one, but for good reason. Bitcoin is no longer just a speculative asset. In 2026, it is held by governments, major corporations, and institutional investors worldwide. The strategic Bitcoin reserve changed the conversation permanently. Bitcoin's supply is capped at 21 million, the most recent halving reduced the rate of new supply entering the market. Historically, every halving has been followed by a significant bull run within 12 to 18 months. If you're only going to hold one crypto asset, Bitcoin is the most established, the most liquid, and the most widely accepted. It's the foundation of any serious crypto portfolio. Ethereum ETH. Ethereum is the backbone of the decentralized web. Most DeFi protocols, ENF platforms, and Web3 applications run on Ethereum. It's not just a currency, it's infrastructure. Since moving to proof of stake, Ethereum has become deflationary under high network usage, meaning the supply can actually decrease over time, which is bullish for the price long term. Ethereum also benefits from the growth of its entire ecosystem. Every new DeFi protocol, every new dApp, every new project built on Ethereum adds to its utility and demand. It's the second largest crypto by market cap for a reason. Solana is fast, cheap, and growing. While Ethereum transactions can be slow and expensive during peak times, Solana processes thousands of transactions per second at a fraction of the cost. In 2025 and into 2026, Solana became one of the most active chains for new projects, meme coins, and retail activity. Its developer ecosystem has grown significantly, and major platforms have built on it. The risk with Solana has historically been network outages. The chain has gone down multiple times, but the team has worked to address this, and the network has become more stable. High reward, with some risk. That Solana. Chainlink is one of the most important and most underrated projects in crypto. Here's why. Blockchains can't access real-world data on their own. They can't check a stock price, a weather reading, or a sports result. Chainlink solves this. It's the infrastructure that connects blockchains to real-world data through something called oracles. As more traditional finance moves on chain, banks, insurance companies, stock markets, the need for Chainlink's technology grows. It's not the sexiest project, but it's deeply embedded in the infrastructure of the future financial system. Chainlink is a long-term infrastructure play, not a get-rich-quick coin, a foundational bet on the future of finance. Emerging Layer 2 or AI crypto project. The 5th spot goes to a category rather than a single coin, because the space moves too fast to be rigid. In 2026, the 2 hottest narratives in crypto are Layer 2 scaling solutions and AI-integrated blockchain projects. Layer 2 networks like Arbitrum and Base make Ethereum faster and cheaper while inheriting its security. AI crypto projects are building the infrastructure for decentralized artificial intelligence. Do your research in these 2 categories. Look for projects with real usage, transparent teams, strong communities, and clear use cases. The next 10x opportunity in crypto is likely sitting somewhere in these 2 spaces. Start small, research deeply, and never put in more than you're prepared to lose entirely. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Chainlink, and the emerging Layer 2 and AI space. 5 areas worth understanding deeply in 2026. Remember, this is not financial advice. These are starting points for your own research. If this video gave you something to think about, hit subscribe. We cover crypto and personal finance every week on CoinAndCash. Drop a comment. Which coin are you watching in 2026? See you in the next one.